What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Righteous by Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're only using one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, I made one for the song and put it in the video description, so if you need it, jump into the video description once you get done. It's there for you. You're going to start with an A minor formation, which is 002210, middle finger on the second fret of the D string, ring finger on the second fret of the G string, index finger on the first fret of the B string. And for you super beginners, you don't even technically have to hold the A formation because you're just picking A string and the first fret on the B string, and you're alternating. Just 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then put your ring finger on the third fret of the low E, keep your index finger on the B, and pick the exact same way, just alternating the low E and the B. So you're here, and then here, and then you're gonna go to the first fret. I use my thumb to grab the first fret. You can do it any way you want. If you wanna use your middle finger, if that's easier, that's fine. For me, it's just easier to use my thumb, and you're picking the exact same way. So again, from the top. And now this final part of the riff before it repeats is come down to 7 on your D string with your ring finger, and then 5 on the G and the B string with your index finger. You're just pushing both of them down. And I will show you a more beginner-friendly way to play that here in a second, but the actual guitar riff in the song is you pick all 3 of those strings and then slide down to 3, 2, and 1 on the same string. So ring finger, 3rd fret on the D, middle finger, 2nd fret on the G, index finger, 1st fret on the B. So you're just sliding, and then it repeats. Now if that's a little too difficult for you, you can just keep the A minor formation and pick the G, B, and E. Those are the same notes. And then go to that F. So the actual riff in the song is, or you can, totally up to you. So all together slowly, the riff looks like. This is the beginner version. Have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner, and the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.